Is this one of the best Nike outlets in SoCal? Let's find out. We're out in Camarillo. A couple weeks ago we had 40% off. Now we're back to 30. Did come to the women's section, bigger sizes super quick. See if they have anything dope over here. Look at this, $55. So these are under 40 bucks. Under $40 colors. Not really my thing though. Size 12 women's. These are 10.5. Men's $80. Another Jordan 1 low right here, 90. We got some dunks. Right here was a Glacier. Oh, it's blue tint. 90 bucks. These are down to 60 right here. Remember, you get another 30 off. Looks like they got these in multiple sizes. And these LD 1000s, $50. I got these Pegasus 40s, but not any of the running shoes I'm looking for. Those are 55. Oh, these are 45 right here, Pegasus 39s. Yeah, but no Vomeros, no super premium running shoe. All right, back to the men's section over here, where I do see some of these, size 9, 140, size 8.5, size 8 as well. Got these in a 7.5 right here, like UNC Obsidian colorway right here, 75, those are 7.5. We got some green ones right here, going for 75. Metcons, if you work out, 70 bucks. 60 for the LeBron denims. These are 8.5. Got some budget cleats, size 9. Alpha Menace, that means football, 100 bucks. Some golf cleats right here, 55. For the, what are these, ADG 5 wides. So they got these in multiple sizes, so 9.5. In the size 10s, apparently these Metcons just made it out the aisles. Juniper Trails right here for 60. Mero 5s, 140. I keep forgetting that I have those. Baseball cleats, Zoom Trouts, $48 with the metal spikes. Air Max 1s right here, $70. Okay, these are these, some more Juniper Trails, 60 bucks. Those look really comfy. They're made for trail running or hiking. All right, let's see what's going on in the apparel section where you get 30 off. Clearance apparel. They got windbreakers right here, 70 bucks. I'm sure plenty of people are trying to buy winter gear because it's cold as hell outside. $35 for this super, super thick long sleeve tee. UCLA hoodies, 100 bucks. Got SE here as well, 100 bucks. Seen both of those in mediums as well. Moving over to the pants, got some sweats right here. Pretty wild color, $60. The extra small is $35 though. Cargo pants? I was like, are these snowboard pants? Yeah, these are just cargo pants. These are going for $60. Dry fit sweats right here. I think I have the jacket that matches this actually that I got for crazy cheap, $37. That is a double XL. Remember, you get 30 off on top. Apparently, yeah, they got a bunch of these. These are going for 35. Pretty wild colors, but yeah, 35. You get an extra 30 off on top. These golf slacks right here, 65 bucks. With the Mamba pants, they still got some of these. This is an XL though. They've finally gone down to $35. $35 for those. If they had smaller ones, I'd definitely grab those. I think these are large right here. Okay. But yeah, I don't see any small or mediums. I would definitely grab it at that price. Holy cow, holy cow. They got this one. It is a medium. It's slightly different. It says FC Barcelona. That's interesting. That's the only medium they have though. They do got them in large. They say 60. Oh, but that other one. Yeah, but these are marked 35 right here. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen them, especially with that extra discount on top. I'm gonna have them price check the mediums right here. They do have some tech fleece, with the two-tone tech fleeces. Yeah, it is marked 115 though. They got the matching hoodies. The matching hoodies are still, I think these were going for 60. Yeah, they're still going for 60. So yeah, I like these hoodies to be honest, but not at 60. Maybe with 30 off on top, maybe? This would be 30 something, yeah. All right, let's finish off the back wall. And in the size 11s right here, these are down to 80 bucks. These Dunks right here, I've seen these in a few sizes. These are going for 90. Air Max 1s, I feel like these have been here forever. 65. Luka is still on sale. $50 for these. Really pushing them Nike accounts. I'm like, do I want to make one just for a $30 purchase? Probably not. Probably not. But do got these right here. These got all kinds of. Oh, I thought these were gonna be super reflective. No, not really. But Killshot 2s. Interesting colorway, $70. Got those right here. They've been pushing a lot of the indoor soccer shoes, which is interesting. $50. Jordan 1 lows, 100. Air Max T Dubs right here, 75. Air Max 1s, another one of these, $70. Air Max 90s. These are Gore-Tex at $80. Size 12 is where we start seeing the extended size pricing. $70 for the RMs right here. Luka 4s go for $65. I'm seeing a lot of the same stuff that I showed you guys earlier. 13s and up. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. All right, moving on to the aisles where we got some Jordan 1 High Gold. This next row right here, all kinds of generic J's. Luka 3s. More of the generic Jordans over here. Plethora of those. Do these count as generics too? Well, those do, but do these? Jordan 4 RMs, got a few colorways. 2 3s, is that a generic one as well? Jordan 1 Low, several different colorways right here. Mid, Glacier Blue SE version right here. We got the last mid, where these have been here forever. They're not dropping the prices much as I thought they would. This is the location where they used to have the University Blue ones, the reimagined. Now they got these, the pure money ones. Maybe if they go down in price enough, maybe it's worth it. You have the pure whites. I haven't really jumped on those. You got the budget signature Nikes right here, Nike basketball. Oh wait, over here we do have a couple more Jordan 1 mids, and the last two are SEs, and more of the budget signature basketball. Look at how much these are going down. And we got a couple more over here. We got some LeBron 22s. Kobe 9 Elite Highs right here. These so look like wrestling shoes, but I think this is one he jacked up his Achilles and stuff, right? Flight Legacies. And Air Max section over here got 2017s and then Air Max 270s. Someone did bring up the 720s, Air Max 720s. Yeah, I haven't seen those in a while. Maybe they'll bring them back. I don't know. That is what Nike does. They'll put stuff away, then bring it back. Kind of like Disney. Full of these Air Max DNs. This one's a camo one, and that's a pretty cheap price. Then we got a trio of these Air Max 90s right here. These are $115. And we got some Monarchs. We got the wide. Oh, these are all the wide versions. The 4Es. Then running shoe-wise, not looking like they have any other stuff I'm looking for, but they do have these. Look at this. This price, not bad at all for everyday trainers, or if you just want some comfy shoes. That's pretty freaking low right there. It was at like 40 something, maybe 45 or something like that. Dang it, I forgot they always have a line here. I do see a lot of red tags. It's like mostly 25% off. Let's check out the prices. It is winter season, so not gonna be the cheapest. I don't think so. $40, 25 off, so that's what, $30. It's not bad for sweats. We got gray ones, they got black, they got white. More 25% off. $50 for these. Is this the Tech Fleece section? Yeah, Tech Fleece 25 off right here. But it's off of retail. I don't mess with retail. $135. Yep. I do have a few pieces of Tech Fleece. And yeah, I've been able to find them all on sale. Usually towards the end of the season though. Like this right here, this Tech Fleece right here. I think I got it at the Foot Locker outlet for like, I think like $30 or something like that. Maybe $30, $35. It's a recycled Tech Fleece. But yeah, I got sweats and Tech Fleece on. And then on feet, I do have the Black Cement 3s. This is like from like, was it 2017, 2018? I think maybe 2018. Yeah, because they're in really good condition still. So this is what I've been wearing. I still have the newer ones. They are brand new. All right, the newer ones. I might have bought like 2-3 pairs. All right, we're going to the women's section. I don't know why this one caught my eye, just because I don't recognize this. What is this? What is this? It's like a mule, like a super expensive croc. Is that what it is? I don't know. But yeah, these are going for $88 Air Max Craze. Yeah, that's pretty crazy, dude. Size 10 right here, 90 bucks. Like funny seeing new stuff. Like I would think I'd see that type of stuff at the mall because it's like brand new, but no. Next Nature Dunks right here, 55. Jordan 1 Lows, 90. These are all denim. 90 for these as well. Did I show these Dunks earlier? I don't know. 85. I feel like we saw these in the huge section over there, 60 bucks. Thought these were Cortez. Nah, they're the Pacific generic version, I guess, 55. These were hella cheap in the bigger sizes. Yeah, that's extended size pricing because these are 105 in the smaller or regular size section. With these, they extended size priced at size 9. That's $60. Remember, 30 off on top. All right, let's knock out the aisles where we see all kinds of Dunks. I'm not gonna go over each of them because I think everybody's kind of tired of Dunks. I'm good with the SB Dunks still. Got some LD 1000s. Of course, you have to have plenty of Air Max 270s. Do got the Forrest Gump Cortez up to size, 10 and a half. And they do have a Jordan aisle. See a few mids. What the hell is that? Some regular ones right here. Got the denim mids. These aren't SC, so the material's a little bit better. Fifth one right here. Last one right here. I got some lows. In the grade school section, look at the grade school section where they got the 12s right here, the mellow 12s. And they got the olive 9s right here, which sold out forever ago for men's. And I got these 7s that are, is it like a suede? Yeah, it's like a suede, super short hair suede. Would that count as nubuck? Got the yellow ochres. There's Obsidian University Blue. Some ones. Imagine Chicago's right here. This is the one that people didn't like because of that. I got some lows. Then, oh, these are women's over here. Okay. They do have some random stuff on sale. Got socks, 30 off of these. So these will go for what, $7, 10 down to 7 with that 30% off. For 6 pairs, not bad. $40 for these, and then got the cement colorway right here. Moving too fast, dude. These are going for 40, and you get an extra 30 off on top. All right, decent freaking line over here. But they do got you with 30% off the socks. For men's, they got the mesh backpack right here. For $20, you get 30 off on top. And for sporting events, 35. 30% off of these. Nike Elite backpacks. I did want one of these. 60, 30 off on top. Will they go down even more? 2 different colorways. I like the all black one right there. So yep, that did work. It did come out to 25 bucks after the discount, 30% off. These retail for $90. So pretty solid discount, y'all. Pretty solid discount. Hell yeah. Crazy seeing it sunny. It's been raining for days and days and days. Let me throw this in my car, show y'all something else. Because we do have JD Sports right across the way that did open. Curious to see if it's a clearance store or what. I don't know. Let's go find out. Might be just a regular retail shop. Looks like it's just a regular location. I do see a lot of sales signs though, look. And they got like some one Lowe's right here and stuff. Solid price for these 480s right here. Some Reebok nylons, classic nylons right here. $35, not bad at all. Luca's, wow, look at this price on this Luca 4 right here. Decent prices here, decent prices in the kids section. Moving over to the men's. Look at this, $135. Hell of a price. For these bad boys, they were definitely not $216, but yeah, they were $210 before. I think it's a regular store, but they got some great prices. I think they've started with like their Black Friday sales and stuff like that at some of the locations, or pretty much all the locations, I bet. But yeah, I got some budget runners right here. These are light motion, kind of their budget. Probably similar to the Lunar line, probably. But yeah, $40 for some budget running shoes. These are down to $80. I've been waiting for these to go down, these 574s. Like if you have someone who doesn't like sneakers, like grab some of these, $40. Seem pretty comfortable. They're not gonna be the greatest, but not bad. Air Max DNs right here. But for the same price, I'd much rather get these DN8s right here. I think they look so much better. These are all black, or both of them are all black. That looks so much better. Forces and Dunks right here. I see a lot of people getting trained, a lot of new hires, seasonal workers getting trained. Got Dunks. These Huarache trainers, I feel like I haven't seen these in forever. Yeah, I haven't seen these in forever. Okay, $35 off. Got the Solutions right there. And then Luca 4s in the colorway. I've never even seen these before, but also got, I think that's the first colorway. Wasn't that the first colorway though? Luca 4s. White cement also on sale. I kind of like this color right here. Oh, and I haven't even seen this colorway in forever. Is this one of the OG colorways? I think it is, isn't it? Pretty sure I have this one at home. I don't even know. I don't even know what I have at home anymore. But the fact that they have these, is this because they opened? Is this because it's a grand opening? I haven't seen these anywhere. Dude, the Omni 2s, that is dope. Holy cow. I think prices in the kids section way better, but men's section right here, not bad, not bad. Especially with those Omnis. Women's section, this is a super solid price. Vomero 18s right here. They got sizes. They show what sizes they have. And this plus right here, Vomero plus. Not a fan of this color, but definitely a fan of that price. Looks like they're setting up the women's section all the way, but I think I'm done, dude. I think I'm done.